Oliver and Lily loved spending time in their backyard garden. It was a magical place filled with tall trees, colorful flowers, and buzzing insects. One sunny afternoon, they decided to explore the garden and see what wonders they could find. As they walked through the tall grass, Lily spotted a big, old oak tree. "Look, Oliver," she exclaimed, pointing at the tree. "It's so big and strong." Oliver nodded in agreement. "I wonder how old it is," he said. They walked closer to the tree and noticed a hole near the bottom of the trunk. "Let's look inside," Oliver suggested. Carefully, they peered into the hole and saw a dark tunnel leading deeper into the tree. "I bet there's a secret room in there," Lily giggled. Just then, they heard a rustling sound coming from the base of the tree. "What's that?" Oliver asked. Slowly, a small, brown worm wriggled out of the ground. "Hello there," Lily said softly. The worm seemed unafraid and continued wriggling towards them. "Worms are really important for the garden," Oliver explained to Lily. "They help to break down dead leaves and turn them into soil." Lily watched the worm with fascination. "I wonder where it's going," she said. The worm kept moving until it disappeared into a pile of fallen leaves. "Maybe it's going to find a snack," Oliver guessed. As they continued their exploration, they came across a patch of wildflowers. "Look at all the pretty colors," Lily exclaimed. Oliver knelt down and examined one of the flowers. "I think this is a daisy," he said. Lily picked another flower and smelled it. "It smells sweet," she said. Suddenly, a butterfly fluttered down and landed on the flower. "Wow, that's beautiful," Oliver said. Lily watched as the butterfly sipped nectar from the flower. "Butterflies like to eat the pollen from flowers," she explained. As the sun began to set, Oliver and Lily decided it was time to go inside. They had learned so much about trees, worms, and flowers during their adventure. As they walked back to the house, they couldn't wait to tell their parents all about their discoveries.